My favorite Shopify case study on Klaviyo has to be Austin, Texas-based Beard Brand. I think they've done a fantastic job of living the idea of owned marketing, but doing so in a really unique way and leveraging Klaviyo. When I think about the content that they've created, it is focused on educating their customers. So everybody's beard is unique, everybody's hairstyle is so unique. There's so many different ways and data points that you can gather around each customer in this space, but serving up content that really teaches their customers on how to use their product, how their grooming practices could be affected if they were supposed, if they knew how to use their products the right way, and how that just helps build a relationship with each customer that they know is going to last. Being a subscription business, there's obviously a lot of flexibility there as far as how to communicate and the ongoing nature of replenishment and understanding when somebody's beard products are going to run out. How am I going to target them and reach out to them at that time and do so in a very personal way?